Good morning, guys. It is 8:30 in the morning, December 30th. We have a client meetup and we have a house showing. So let me get ready. Let's head out there. It's a little gloomy outside. Pretty foggy. Poured last night, so my mission of getting the grass to come back alive is just one step closer. So we are gonna go meet at Starbucks, talk about his real estate portfolio he wants to build, and then go do a showing for a townhouse up in Land Lakes area for one of my clients. And hopefully today is a good day, but let's get to it because I'm already running late. So this is my friend Quiggle. We were in the Air Force together, and now he's about to get into real estate. So kind of explain what you want to do.
Yes, sir, Eddie. So what I'm looking to do is I'm looking to get into real estate. I've already bought my first home at 21, right? That's a big achievement. I'm looking to buy another home. I'm only 26. If I can do that by the time I'm 27, that's perfect. So I'm looking to increase my net worth, also my investment property, keep that real estate there because it's very key, and to just go from there. Eddie's a great mentor. You know, we've known each other for over 6 years. We're gonna do this together. We'll be successful.
Heck yeah. So that's awesome, you know, buying a rental property. And so let's get it. Let's make it happen.
Perfect. Thank you again, Eddie.
It is always great to connect with old Air Force friends. You know, I haven't seen a lot of my Air Force buddies for about at least 2-3 years. So connect with them and helping them build a real estate portfolio is probably the best thing ever. So we are actually going to go look at some new construction townhomes in the Land Lakes area. Honestly, we have today and tomorrow to close the deal, because if not, we lose out on the cash to close and the low interest rate. So I'm hoping that my client makes a decision today, because it can cost him a lot of money if he does not decide to buy a house today.
Where are you guys coming from now?
We're from actually the Lewis area, Butler County.
Okay, yeah, so you're from there. You could have. But that Moffett right there.
This is the master. For a townhome, just over 300, this isn't that bad. Jack and Jill. It's a nice community. So this is actually a middle unit. So you have neighbors to your right and neighbors to your left. So you don't really get the window that would be right here, like in the other unit. You just have the back sliders as your natural light. As you come up, oh, bedroom. This room looks pretty big. The final bedroom. A little different setup. Looks more like a maze. So he actually liked one of the corner lots of one of these townhomes, going for around $345 with $25,000 closing and a 5.5 interest rate. We're gonna try to get that locked in before tomorrow, because after tomorrow all the rates and incentives are done with because of the quarter's over. So let's head back to Tampa and let's just kind of see what's there to do. So we are actually now looking at one of the properties here to clean that's going to be for rent. So let's go check it out. Not bad. What's back here? It's like a big living room. So I guess he made himself at home. So there's actually no power. So I'm just kind of doing a quick no power tour. Bedrooms. So the kitchen has this big pantry and the laundry right behind it. This is actually kind of different. We got another friend right here, Mr. Cockroach. This is pretty cool. Looks like we have a neighborhood cat. So we just did the walkthrough. What do you think?
So this is my favorite part of like my business, is getting to do the pre-walkthrough of seeing like what needs to be done. But I also love doing the empty houses because you can kind of envision like how you would decorate it or how you would like it. And I think the best part is seeing the after.
Our dogs always eat their food, so we are here at Petco like twice a month. So we actually did enter the Speed Society giveaway to get the gray Lambo, and we're trying to bet to see who is going to get the most money in the mystery box, and we're using a little card on her keychain to open them. So how much, before you open, how much money do you think you got in the box?
$2.
$2?
Yeah.
You got more than $2. So I feel like winning a Lambo will be a lot easier than having to buy one, because when you have to buy one, it's a lot of money that you have to throw on the table and make a commitment to every month. But when you win one, you just kind of have it, and it gives you more money to do other stuff with. Yeah, I told you I have no, like, I got no cash. $3. So we just got to our friend's house for New Year's. And honestly, come check it out. Humongous. It's like a castle. Martha, the bougie one. AJ, you ready for the Air Force?
Hell yeah!
Cat in a hat.
Is it the same actor?
No, stop.
Yes, it is. I'm gonna Google something. Mira, Jay, who's the blue?
That's not a zorro. That's a cat in the boot. I cannot believe you.
Tell me. What's the story? You have
What is your plans for next year?
Sell some real estate, baby.
Martha?
Tampa Bay, baby.
Yeah. Buy a house and get my RN license.
And we got Cat in the hat.
We got a zorro.
Just a quick tour, entrance. Just some kind of walk around the house. I like to explore. You guys ready for the new year? There we go. So we're about to play beer pong without the beer or the shots against little brother AJ. So we have about 30 minutes until New Year's. So we got grapes. What are the grapes for?
12 grapes, 1 grape for each wish every month next year.
All right. Happy New Year's, everybody. Happy New Year. Hey, Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Happy New Year, little wiener dogs. That is the end to 2024. Welcome to 2025. And let's hope that we have a lot of cars, a lot of hopes, and best wishes to everybody for 2025. Anything to say to everybody?
I'm ready for 2025.
2025, guys. AB's there in 2025 off with the fall.
Bro, I'm going.
Wow.
All right, today is January 1st. I got my helper out here, and we organized the garage. New year, clean garage. But my client decided not to buy that townhome, and we're gonna go look at more homes tomorrow, Thursday. So let's see if we can finally get him a home. You know, his lease expires soon, so it's best to beat the mortgage over a lease. Got a cammed Camaro.